What's up guys, and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you two easy ways how to find the IMEI on your Samsung Galaxy phone or on any other Android device phone, right? So here's how you can do it. The first way you can do this, guys, is by simply open up the phone app on your phone, and you simply want to type in asterisk #06 hashtag, and here you will see it appear, and it will show you the IME number, IME 1 and 2, etc. if you have that serial number, and also the EIDs. So this is a very easy way how you can go about finding it real quick. Right now, the second way how you can easily find that, guys, is by simply opening up the settings app on your phone. So you want to go ahead and search for settings, or just scroll up and you will find settings. You want to open up that, and you want to simply scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says about phone. Now once you click on about phone, guys, you will look and you'll find all the valuable information here, including the IME numbers as well. So as you can see, I have slot 1 and slot 2, and you will be able to see those IME numbers. So that's how you can do that, guys. Very easy and very simple. The two easiest ways how you can find the IMEI number on your Samsung Galaxy phone or any other Android phone.